Hello good old world. Just showing you what I'm up to at the moment. Just putting the final layers on. I think he's looking pretty snazzy. Just putting the final layer in, so all the hot spots and stuff. Final yellow layer. Now what I've used is them. Got a pretty decent result with them. They're actually really nice. Just darkening up all the yellow. I think that's pretty much done now. That's my true fire, well, realistic fire attempt. And on the other side, oh shit, and that's the other side, which probably needs to darken up a little bit too. I'll do that now. I'll do that now while I'm on the camera to you lot. Yeah, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I know I've not been around recently, but I think I'll call that done. If you want me to show you how to do this, please let me know. Oh, that sounds turned out really nice. Thank you for viewing it, and please subscribe. I'll be back soon.